Constant change. Jose Marichan again.
Nagbabago na ang katawan natin at age 50 plus.
Kaya we take Centrum Silver Advance to help protect our memory, heart, immunity, and more. Mag Centrum Silver Advance.
We're on the road, we move from place to place, and oftentimes we're not about to call it home. We have to move along. Life is a constant change. The friends we know, we meet along the way. Too soon the times we share from part of yesterday. 'Cause life's a constant change and nothing stays the same. Oh no. Clouds that moves across the sky are changing form before our very eyes. Why couldn't we keep time from moving on? Hold on to all the years before this moment's gone. Why must we leave the days at such a frightening pace? We all like clouds that moves across the sky are changing forms before our very eyes. Have we outgrown our Peter Pans and wings? We simply grow too old for tales of knights and kings. 'Cause life's a constant change and nothing stays the same. Oh no. Ayan, totoo yan. Ang buhay talagang parang paiba-iba ng parang ang buhay natin is every year or every 2 years or every 5 years nagkakaroon tayo ng pagbabago, no? Parang sinasabi natin na siya, panibagong chapter ng buhay natin. So ganun yung life unfolds, no? Kaya constant change yon ni Jose Marichan. Alright, okay. Shout out to everyone.